Hello everyone, Namaste from Tarot Days 369. Welcome back to the channel. Those who are new here, thank you for watching. If you are liking the videos, please share them, subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon for further notification. This is a general timeless reading for Scorpio today. So we'll look for Scorpio's career, love and money aspects. So take what resonates and leave the rest. But if you're interested in personal reading one-on-one, so you can always contact me for the inquiries. So let's check out what's there for the Scorpios. So it looks like in your career, you are being overwhelmed by your emotions. Uh, you know, uh, uh, these are some adversities at your workplace, and you are being called to lead with courage. That strength and that inner strength lies within you. You might be going through a phase where your emotional strength and patience is being tested. It could be, difficult co-workers that you are dealing with, or could be peer pressure, that management pressure for the new project, or maybe a new job or a business venture, a new project, something uh, that demands your patience, and you should tame that. You have that inner strength. You should not react impulsively. Be consistent and focused in your approach, because you have that what it requires to deal with this situation and to endure this transition. So you have that inner confidence in you, which is your biggest asset at this time, and you need to pursue it with calmness, and not confrontation. So don't react, just respond, and your intuition will guide you on the right track here. As is scorpions are water, so they have this intuitive abilities, the strength card is just suggesting you to approach and navigate your career with courage and that grace and your emotional intelligence. So there might be some difficulties at your workplace in terms of your career. You might be facing those challenges, but they require not just your skills, but your determination and that confidence and your inner mastery that you have, like this strength. So that's for your career. And in terms of your love, so it's looking little difficult here. If you are in that relationship, you might be feeling trapped emotionally and mentally here. And it's those sleepless nights and anxiety taking over. And it's just lack of communication and trust issues, and you are now emotionally distanced from your person. So you just need to speak out, just communicate whatever is you're fearing. And because the scorpions have this tendency, they don't want to show their vulnerable side. They portray in themselves as very strong and unaffected, and they internalize their pain. So this is all the temporary state of your mind. It is all in your mind, and you just need to come out of this state, because suppressing your emotions and not being vocal about it is only going to make it more worse. This is your own self-inflicted suffering, and since Scorpios, they have this mistrust. They don't just trust anyone quickly. So it's all your own distorted perception, and things are not as bad as you are overthinking about it. So this is not a permanent state. This is just a call to face your shadows and deep rooted fears of your. Understand that you can't control everything, so just stop punishing yourself in your mind, and those sleeplessness and anxiety and all of that inner tormenting. And you'll feel lighter when you will talk things out. So just communicate whatever you feel right. Okay. and now in your money. So there's the King of Cups, and it says you need to be emotionally composed and wise with your finances. You might be in a position where your financial decisions could be clouded by your emotions. So the king is asking you to be more mature and strategic while dealing with your money matters. It could be like you might be helping others financially, or maybe your family, that business. So it's a good thing, but you are asked here to maintain your boundaries and do things in balanced way. If you're lending money to someone or you're supporting someone, so don't let your emotional ties dominate your money choices. Balance your emotions with logic and manage your money wisely. So that's for your money, Scorpios. And then now we'll pull out one final card of advice from our angels and ancestors. So let's check what's the guidance for the Scorpions today from our angels and ancestors, like spirit guides and angels. Please give me one card of advice for this reading. One card of final advice you want to give for Scorpios today. Give me one card of advice for the Scorpios today. What's the final message for the Scorpions for this reading? A final advice for the Scorpions for this reading. Give me one card. Okay, we have got Melchizedek. Okay, higher learning. Let's see what it says. You have learned from experience. More inner study is now required to further progress. It is a reminder for the Scorpions that everything that is happening now, whether in terms of your career, love, or money, is a part of your soul lessons. You are being initiated into a higher path in terms of your career. So, you need to trust your intuition and logic equally. And developing your skills further will lead you to next step. And in love, it says that your relationship is a part of your higher spiritual evolution. So you need to move with compassion, forgiveness, and maturity. Trust your intuitions and the insights that arise from your inner self. Recognize and honor the lessons you have learned. It could be your karmic lessons you're going through from your past experiences. So, understanding that they have prepared you for this moment of growth further. So, be open to new changes, new teachings and new perspective towards things. This will enhance your spiritual development, and your money and your financial path is connected to the sacred service you do for others. And that's your sole purpose, and it will bring you further abundance. So this is the time to make wise choices, and it will require to see beyond your material gains. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Namaste.